Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to take a walk around our 2015 24-foot Cobalt SD. She's the one, white hull, black bottom, blue canvas, sitting on a Continental aluminum trailer. Take a walk around the boat. Trim tabs, patented Cobalt swim platform, full tonneau cover, bimini top. You can see the hull, very good condition. Boat only has 155 original hours on it. Beach boarding ladder in the front, tonneau cover in the front. Very nice trailer. Docking lights in the front. Has the optional windows in the side. Some rod holders. Boat is here. It is available. Any questions, please call me. Once again, this is Alan at MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. We'll add some pictures of the interior to follow. Thank you.